Hey, what's going on everyone? The launch details of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition has been leaked on the internet. The time has finally come and we have got to know plenty of details about the phone like its launch date and specifications. So in this video, we will tell you all the details we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, if you're still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition's launch timeline has been tipped by a report. As per the report, the smartphones may be launched in August 2021. If true, Samsung would be launching two of these three smartphones earlier than their predecessors. The Galaxy Z Flip was launched in February 2020 while the Galaxy Z Fold 2 was launched in September 2020 and the Galaxy S20 FE was launched in October 2020. The timeline for the launch of the three Samsung smartphones, the Galaxy S21 FE, Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been tipped by South Korean news outlet Yonhap. As mentioned, the launch timeline for these three smartphones is set to be August 2021. The report cites industry insiders to claim the reason for the earlier than their usual launches to make up for the fact that Samsung Note series is anticipated to be skipped this year thanks to chip shortages. However, there is no official information from Samsung about the phones or when they would launch. Earlier this month, alleged renders and some details about the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition surfaced suggesting the phone will have a flat 6.4-inch display. The Galaxy S21 comes with a 6.20-inch display. The Fan Edition variant is also said to be 7.9 mm thick. Earlier, notable tipsters with the handle name on leaks tipped the design of the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. The design is expected to be similar to the Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S21 Plus smartphones. A report had also claimed that the Galaxy S21 FE will feature a 4500 mAh battery bigger than the vanilla Galaxy S21 that features a 4000 mAh battery. Lastly, Samsung may also have already begun productions of the Fan Edition smartphone for 2021. But some reports also claim that the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE will come with a 4800 mAh battery. But the reports neither reveal anything about the camera details nor about the processor of this phone. We still have a lot of details missing from the reports. More details of this phone will be disclosed as we are inching closer to the launch date. We will make a separate video on this when we have more concrete details of this phone. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE in the comment section below. If you really find this video useful, then a like will be appreciated and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on social medias, the links are in the description. So see you all in the next video. Sayonara.